Here we are, P1 Motor Cars, Stamford, Connecticut. Probably the first installment of a number of updates on what's going on in the garage. I think you'll find some things here very interesting. So, basic tire change on Porsche Turbo center lock wheels. That's pretty easy. Brake job on a Macan Turbo. Nothing too exciting there either. But here you'll find something extremely exciting. A US spec Ferrari F40. Absolutely pristine condition with about 4,700 miles. Truly an amazing car. Most of the cars you see will be Euro versions rather than a US version. So this car is really special. You see US spec mirrors and the rest of the US changes to the car, including reflectors, headlights, splitter, and some other parts. 997 GT3 RS. These have become more and more rare as everybody goes for 6-speed automatic, or goes for PDK cars instead of manual cars. This is the last one that had a manual transmission in an RS. A 360 infra rear seal, throwout bearing, and a major service. Had the transaxle out, and that's what you see a 360 transaxle looks like. Really special, we had another F40, a Euro F40, getting a conversion from plastic to aluminum gas cans. Really not gas cans, gas tanks. You see the custom installation of aluminum tanks in this car. The US car comes standard with the US with this aluminum tank, but that tank will not fit into a European car. You have to have a custom assembled tank, a custom made tank to fit into a European car to eliminate the need for swapping out the plastic tanks which come in a European car standard. These tanks need to be swapped out every 5 years at about $10,000 a swap. Eliminates the need to make that swap. You see the assemblies for the F40. 360 Challenge car in for a major service. A 550 Maranello in for a major service as well. And a third F40 European car. Will be in for service and overhaul of the bell housing, which requires special treatment of the magnesium bell housings that are standard in this car. Another real beauty of a European car. Begin to see some of the differences between a US spec and a Euro spec car and the appearances of the front end. What else we have that could be more interesting than what we've just seen? Adding to these, a Lamborghini Diablo VT. There's some issues to be some troubleshooting to be done on this car to make it run better. But one of the true interesting exotics from the time when you had a manual transmission in the V12. Truly a really crazy car. Here's a bit of a preview. These odd looking tires are BF Goodyear F1 Eagle tires that were original spec on what? Can you guess? Goodyear Eagle F1 GS Fiorano tires. Original spec on a Ferrari F50. That's why you keep the original tires when you have a car they made less than 400 of. Truly exciting stuff. That's it for the update for today. Hopefully tune back in when we actually see the F50 arrive as it gets prepped for concourse level show competition in Pebble Beach. But in the meantime, more treats. Taking a look at the US spec Ferrari F40. Truly a fantastic car. Bye for now, and hope you guys tune in again soon. We'll be bringing you more exciting things that are going on in the garage. Take care. Please like and subscribe.